What is up, guys? Brittany here, back for another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install software update iOS 18.4. So let's get into the video. Alright, what you want to do is go ahead and navigate to your settings on your iPhone, and then you're going to open it up. And once you find your settings and you open it up, you're going to see a notice at the top that says software update available. Now you can click on that to get to the install, but if you do not see that, then scroll down to General tab and select it, and then select software update. Now, as you can see, iOS 18.4 is approximately 3.42 gigabytes. Your numbers may be a little different, but they all should be generally in that ballpark. Now, this update introduces 8 new emojis, a new sketch style option in Image Playground, recipes in Apple News Plus, and enhancements to better organize and filter your library in Photos. This release includes other features, bug fixes, and security updates for your iPhone. If you go to the bottom and select Learn More, it'll take you to this screen where it is about this update. It is going to show you everything that is being installed with iOS 18.4. This is a hefty install, guys, and it may take your phone a while to complete this. And so if you just read through all of this, it literally goes section by section and tells you all the changes that are happening. These are some really, really good changes, and I do not recommend skipping this update. Just go ahead, and you can even set your phone to automatically update if you don't want to wait for it. It can do it in the nighttime while you're sleeping, but I highly recommend that you go ahead and install this. And so when you are ready, you go back to that main screen for software update, then select update now. Now it's going to ask you to put in your PIN code, and you will have to wait while it downloads. So it says the update has been requested, and this process may take a while. Usually it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Once it is done, it will give you the option to install now, and then that is when it will verify the update, which will look a little something like this. And after this screen goes away, the install will commence. Your phone will go through a series of reboots, but because this is a larger install, expect it to take more than 20 to 30 minutes. Now, once it is complete, you will see this screen. It will almost look as if your phone is brand new, guys. All right, guys, so this is how it's gonna look once the install has completed. And it's gonna have all these different ways of saying hello on your screen, kind of like how it is when you get a brand new phone. So to get rid of this, you just swipe up, put your passcode in. All right, and now we get to this screen, software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 18.4. Future software updates will be automatically downloaded and installed for you as they are released. You can manage this in software update settings. Okay, now let's click continue. All right, so once you continue from this screen, there are a couple more steps that you have to do, but they're fairly easy. And then once complete, the software update page will look just like this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.